If you are anxious but ambitious, you're a high earner, high achiever, but you often overthink and get overwhelmed, self hypnosis is the cheat code. This is how you're going to foolproof your goals or fumble proof your goals.
If you've tried to hypnotize yourself before and you didn't have any luck, that's because you didn't go through the shift method. Most people struggle to hypnotize themselves because they've already built a lack of trust between their conscious mind and their subconscious mind. So this process is about building trust with your subconscious so that it will listen to you during a self-hypnosis session. So the first thing you need to start with is visualization. So we'll walk you through the process of properly using visualization to achieve your financial success. Then we'll look at reviewing your reality and external obstacles. So doing these two things, you'll see an immediate shift in your external reality and you'll feel a lot more confident. And this confidence is the next step to building self-trust, which will improve your self-hypnosis sessions.